Hey guys, Justin Nelson here, CEO of Sphere Rocket Virtual Assistants, and today in part 3 of the virtual assistant, the top softwares you should be using, part 3. This is one of the most controversial. Just kidding. It's not actually that controversial. In 2023, maybe late 2022, there was this thing that kind of came to light. It's probably been around for a while in the coder world, and it's supposedly owned by Elon Musk. I don't really know all the details of it. However, what I do know is I know how to use it, and I know how game-changing it is. So ChatGPT, so C-H-A-T, chat, like I'm chatting with you. GPT as in GPT is basically an artificial intelligence. I won't bore you with all the nerdy things I know about it, but here's the reality. It is like similar to Jasper AI. So if you've never checked out Jasper AI, you can check that out. It's also another great software. It's similar, but it's not quite as advanced in my opinion as ChatGPT. So ChatGPT works like this. I'll put a link down in the description, so if you guys want to check it out. It does currently have a waiting list as of today shooting the video. So sign up for the waiting list. It shouldn't take too long to get in, but check out that link in the description. Now, ChatGPT works like this. If I want to sit down and I wanted to write a blog post, that went something like this. Maybe in my mind I go, I want to write a blog post about the city of Nashville. But I don't only just want to write any generic blog post about the city of Nashville. I want to write a blog post about the city of Nashville that highlights the top 10 restaurants, that highlights the top 10 parks, that highlights the top 10 neighborhoods to live in, that highlights the top 10 museums, that highlights the top 5 sports teams, right? And I want that to be a 4,000 word blog post, right? If I wanted to write that blog post, I could go in and do all this research, I could look it up. But with ChatGPT, I can take a screenshot like this, right? You go to this little box right here. I could type in it exactly what I just told you. And then from there, ChatGPT is going to write out the 4,000 word blog. Now, some people are going to be like, well, Justin, is it original? Is it plagiarizing? You know, all those things. All I'm going to tell you is this. This video is not meant to deep dive ChatGPT. You guys can search YouTube if you want to deep dive it. My only part of this video, being part 3, is just to turn you on to it, to make sure that you understand that it's an available resource. ChatGPT is $0. Jasper AI, I think, is like 99 bucks a month. I personally love ChatGPT. There's so many different things that you can do. You can ask it, what are the top 10 videos I should shoot today? What are the top 10 emails that I should send out to my client database? Hey, can you write me a business plan? Hey, can you plan a date for me and my wife in the city of Detroit? I've never been there and we love XYZ, and it will create an entire itinerary for you. So there's a million things you can ask this thing. This video is to be short, simple. If you guys are liking this series so far, make sure that you guys like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and we will see you in part 4. But if you're thinking, Justin, ChatGPT, I don't love technology, I'm a little older, this isn't for me, don't forget, that's why you're hiring virtual assistants, that's why you're here, because you know that there's a generation that can do this at a high level and absolutely skyrocket your business to the next level. So as always, Justin Nelson here, CEO of Sphere Rocket VA. If we can ever help you by hiring new virtual assistants, check out the link in the description below, and I will see you in part 4 of the top 10 softwares you should be using for your VA.